What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, we'll be doing the Bitcoin technical analysis. So we'll be looking at the direction of Bitcoin, and if you notice, it seems as if we're just in resuming a bullish movement. We got to this point, this top point at the maximum resistance, and resistance is often a zone, so you have to draw it as a zone, not just using a horizontal line. And so you notice that in this zone, one of the things that occurred was you could notice that BTC reacted, then making you realize that this zone is actually effective. So a lot of us were expecting like a double top, and although that double top is still valid, there is a possibility for a double top. But if you look at the MACD, you would notice it's as if selling pressure is subsiding. So we're just about to flip into the bullish side, but on the weekly time frame we're already bullish. So you would notice we're already bullish on the weekly time frame. It's just the daily that is still bearish for a while, and that is the selling pressure we saw in the past couple of days from this area, which was a bearish engulfing down to this area. And in the past 4 days, we have been on a bullish run, and the histogram is showing decreasing selling pressure. So we can decide to switch this from candles to footprint chart. The footprint chart analyzes volume, it analyzes bid ask, aggressive buying on the right side, and aggressive selling on the left side. So, and if you notice, for the past couple of days we've been having a positive delta means buying volume minus selling volume. So a positive delta means that the bulls are in control and they are aggressive, while negative delta tells you that bears are in control and they are aggressive. So for the past couple of days, you would notice that this was a positive delta. Let me remove this MACD. Let me just delete this. So this was a positive delta. um was this also a positive delta? Let me just remove auto. Okay, this was a negative delta. This was positive, 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 positive. It just tells you that the bulls are definitely around and they are trying to move price to the upside. So what we'll most likely expect is that we'll expect a resistance again around this same area. We'll see how price reacts again with it, but for the now it seems as if we're pushing towards the upside. We're going towards around 2k, that was 112k. So when we get to that region, then we'll see how price will interact with that region. Then we can be able to decide if price will go further or otherwise. So but for the meantime, this area is our area of interest, the area we should look out for, and all of that. This is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.